Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system, the sync system in this 2016 Ford Transit. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on, switch on there, and then we're watching at the bottom. So here we can either go to telephone, in fact we'll do it with the telephone way, so just phone, you've got Bluetooth devices there, searching for past paired phones. Well, there's nothing paired in here, so then you've got the option of add Bluetooth or close. We want add, click add there. So we're looking for sync, sync's come up at the bottom, select sync.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
The pin there is 154778, so it is the same. We'll click select there, and also yes there or no there. It's yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. Pairing successful. So once that has disappeared.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
So that's it connected. It's asking me there, do you want to set Barry's iPhone as the Bluetooth, the favourite Bluetooth phone? Just means if there's two of you get in, it'll select your phone if both the phones are in the menu there.